Hello friends, welcome back to another session of Core Java tutorials. Let's explore what Unicode is and how we can use it in Java to print symbols like emojis, hearts, etc. and even regional language characters. Today I'll be showing you how to print Telugu characters in this way. So what is Unicode? Unicode is a universal character encoding standard. It assigns a unique number to every character in every language, whether it's English, Telugu, Hindi, Chinese, or emojis or math symbols. This helps Java develop ranking softwares to display and understand text from around the world in a consistent way. So say, for example, I want to print the character A. So what I'll do is I'll say char. So I'll say char ch is equal to A. Okay. So I can also print A by using the Unicode. So I can say char ch1 is equal to. So here I'm giving Unicode, which is an escape sequence of Unicode. So which is /u and then followed by the 4-digit hexa code for the character. So for the A, it is 41. So I'm mentioning it as 0041. Okay. So when I type in system.out.println, system.out.println, and print ch. Okay. And also I'll print system.out.println, and here I'll be printing the variable which is holding the Unicode. Okay, fine. So when I hit on the run button, you will be able to see the same character on the screen. Okay, A and A. But this is directly given, but here I have given the character using a code. Okay, so when do I use a Unicode and when to directly initialize a character variable? So if the character or the letter is found on your keyboard, like the letters in the alphabet and so on, digits and so on, you can directly initialize it. But for the characters or the letters which you cannot find it on your keyboard, like the letters of Telugu and then in the emojis or hearts and special symbols, mathematical symbols, which you won't be finding it on the keyboard. For those letters, you will be using the Unicode. Okay. So using Unicode, I'll show you how to print Telugu letters, and also I'll show you how to print heart. Okay. So I'll change this code and write the code to print that. So let me explain you this code line by line. So what did I do here? What did I do here? I have declared a variable which is ch and which is holding a simple English character I. Then I have given a variable which is heart, which is holding the Unicode for heart. So this will print a monochrome heart for you, which is like black color heart. But I don't want a black color heart. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the template of the black color heart and I'm actually using the variation selector, so which is in color. So it tells the system it tells the system to show the heart as a red emoji. Okay, right. So that's what is in the color. Next is I'm typing in the Telugu letter, which is Ja. The Unicode for Ja is /U0C1C. And then I want Ja to be there. So one Dirgamo to be there for Ja. So to give that, the Unicode is /U0C3. And then I want VAR. So for VAR, the Unicode is /U0C35. And for Dirgham, I have given /U0C and 3B. So 0C3E is same. Okay, for any letter in Telugu, you want a Dirgham. So you'll be using the Unicode /U0C3. Okay, so let me run this. And I have put all this together in the system.out.println. So let me run this and show it to you. So when I hit on the run button, so you can see I love Java has been printed on the screen. Okay, fine. So, uh, what's the summary of the whole point is that Unicode allows us to write in any language and use symbols or emojis in Java. And Java uses the format /u xxxx to represent Unicode characters. And for emojis like heart, we often combine base characters with variation selectors to control the appearance of it on the screen. And you can build multilingual or fun like Java apps by just using a Unicode correctly. Okay, so just like how I have done it. So try writing your own messages using Unicode in your mother tongue or using fun symbols. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.